Hello and welcome to this beginner practice. It's a short practice that is for your full body. That's Nala and she'll be here with us for today's practice. Let's get started in a comfortable position. Sit up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Inhale nicely. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale and hold your breath together with me. Inhale. Hold your breath for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let go of the breath. Just stay with yourself and this breath. Have a simple intention for today's practice. And gently take your time to open your eyes. In today's practice, we'll be going through certain foundational practices that will help you address your entire body. So let's get started by lying down onto the spine with your knees bent. Let your spine feel surrendered and relax on the floor. Bend both the knees. Allow your lower back to feel normal and relaxed. Drop both the knees on the right side. Separate the heels so have a little distance between the legs. And bring the knees back and drop it to the left. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, back up. From here, bring your right heel up on the left feet. And from here, just slowly bring the left knee to your chest. Take your right hand from the center and left arm from the side. Just breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Allow your breath to surrender. And just stay here. See where you're feeling the stretch and try to breathe there. Beautiful. Slowly, as you release this leg, just drop the right knee to the floor and look over the left and breathe. Slowly come back center. We switch legs now. Okay? Take your left leg up onto the right thigh and just take your arms from under and hug it through. Keep both the shoulders down and pull the knee to the chest as much as you can. Relax your chin and just breathe comfortably. Slowly get the legs back on the mat and drop both the knees on the left side. Look over the right and stay. Breathe. Relax that heel to the mat. Relax your feet and stay. Bring the knees back to center. Bring both the knees to your chest and rock front and back. Just massage your spine very nicely and gently take your time to come up. We bend both the legs. Take your arms slightly back. Push your hips in center and lift up your hips. Exhale, come back down. Check if your wrist and shoulders are in one line. So inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Last one, inhale and hold. Keep your breath going. You can keep your chin to chest if dropping your head is not comfortable for you today. and release. Slowly come up. Take your time to come up into this Malasan place, which is your Asian squat, also known as Indian toilet position. Just see if your heels are up. That's absolutely fine. You don't need to push the heel down. See if you can shift weight. When you shift weight on one leg, that heel can go down. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly from here, we're going to just take arms from the side to come up, and then we come down into Malasan again. Just 2 times, okay? Inhale, arms from the side. Exhale, come back to Malasan. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Slowly come up to standing. Open your legs wide, 3 feet apart. Get your left leg facing to the side. Good. Don't open your hip. Keep the hip in the front. Just open from the leg socket right here. Drop your left arm down. Keep holding your waist. See if your shoulders are coming forward. Keep it in line with the waist. From there, take your right arm up and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back up. Left toe in, right toe out. Slowly drop the right palm down, checking in line with the hips. Chest in. Good. Left arm up and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back center. Very good. Turn out both the feet. Get your arms in front of you. Kalyasan, Utkat Kalyanasana. Lower the hips. Relax your face. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, go to the lowest. Low, 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 low. Drop your hands down. Turn out the heel and push your head. Release it to the floor. If you have any sort of back pain, just bend the knees. Release the neck and stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, right hand on your waist. Open the shoulder and open the arm up and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch arms, change sides. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. One more bow down. Release completely with the neck also. And slowly bend the knees. Roll up vertebrate by vertebrate. Get your hands on the waist. Push your both hips on the left side. Squeeze and stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to the right. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back center. Let's go for balancing. Balancing is very related to the way you're feeling mentally. So let's find stillness in the mind and the body will follow automatically. So you'll take the right leg up into your tree pose, either here, either on your calf. You have 2 options. Find one focus point and just breathe. 5, 4, 3, beautiful balance, 2, and 1. Come back center. Same thing on the other side, either with the leg on your calf or higher up. Relax your face. It's okay if there's wobbles happening. Just welcome yourself with what you are today. Today's practice is for your today's body, not your yesterday, not a year back. Let's stay in this present for 2 more counts, 2 more counts. And relax. Beautiful. Come back to the floor. Relax your body. Take your left arm on the right knee. Look back and just breathe. Twist right arm as back as you can. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, let it twist more. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, let it twist more. Keep going and keep breathing as you do this. Coming back center, same thing on the other side. Twist, inhale, lengthen that spine. Exhale, twist more. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist more. Inhale, lengthen that spine. Exhale, twist, twist, twist. Keep breathing. And release. Take a good sip of air. Inhale. Hold it. We'll open the mouth and sigh out together. And release. Beautiful. Keep your both palms on your chest. Thank yourself for showing up today for this practice. Being open enough to give this a chance. Give yourself this chance and give yourself this practice. Appreciate that positive mindset and that open mindset that you had today. And thank you for joining. Have a good day. Namaste.